In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Printful Store. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to get to the point where your Printful account is linked with an e-commerce platform so you can start adding products and fulfilling orders automatically. First, open the Printful website in your browser. Any modern browser will work, and it's best to use a desktop or laptop for the clearest view of all the options. Make sure you're on the official Printful homepage so you can follow along with the layout I'm describing. If the site asks you to accept cookies or confirm your region, go ahead and complete that so all buttons and links display correctly. On the homepage, look for the guided setup area. You'll see a clear step-by-step path to getting started. Within that flow, find the part labeled Connect Your Store. That's typically shown as Step 2 in the onboarding sequence. Click the Start button in that Connect Your Store section. This is the doorway to linking Printful with the place where your customers will shop. If a pop-up or a new page opens, just allow it. This is normal and part of the integration process. After you click Start, you'll be prompted to choose a platform. This is where Printful presents a list of e-commerce platforms and marketplaces it integrates with. The interface may appear as a grid or a list, but the idea is the same. You're selecting where your Printful products will live and sell. Now, choose from the different platforms available. Printful supports a wide range: hosted store builders, self-hosted options, and marketplaces. So pick the one that fits how you want to run your business. If you already have a store somewhere, choose that platform to keep things simple. If you're deciding from scratch, think about ease of use, monthly costs, transaction fees, how much you want to customize your site, and where your audience already shops. Some platforms are very beginner-friendly with drag-and-drop editors, while others are more flexible for advanced customization. As you hover or click each option, you'll often see brief descriptions or links to learn more about what the integration includes, like automatic order forwarding and live shipping rates. Take a moment to compare if you're unsure. Choosing the right platform now will save time later. That's the basic flow. Open the Printful website, find Connect Your Store on the homepage, and click Start, select Choose Platform, and then pick from the available platforms. Once your platform is selected, you'll be guided by on-screen prompts tailored to that choice. Pause the video as needed and follow along at your own pace. You're now set to move forward with integrating Printful into your e-commerce setup.